Good morning, student. Today in class 10th, we are going to solve exercise 4.4. As you can see here, I have written the questions. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations if the real roots exist, find them. The question number 1 is that 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. You can see here. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5, as you can see. So how to find out the nature of the root? That is, if d square equal to minus b, d equal to b square minus 4ac, then if it comes greater than 0, then it will have two real and distinct root. If it comes equal to 0, then it will have real and equal roots, and if it is less than 0, then it will not have any real root, that is, it will have imaginary root. So now here in question number 1, as you can see, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. So I have put the value of the b minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a, that is 2, into 5 into, that is equal to 5. So 9 minus 40 equal to minus 31 is less than 0. So given quadratic equations has no real root. It has imaginary root. So we will study about imaginary root in higher classes. The next question is that 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So here also you can see a equal to, I have taken a equal to 3, b equal to 4 under root 3 and c equal to 4. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. So you can see here, that is minus 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4ac, that is the 4 into 3 into 2. So we get 48 minus 48, that is equal to 0. So the given equation has real and equal roots. As d is equal to 0, so it will have real root, but its roots will be equal. So we have find out the root of the quadratic equation, as you can see here, by the formula. So we can see the formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus under root d by 2a, or equal to minus 4 under root 3 plus minus 0, 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 2 equal to under root 3. So it has got equal roots, that root will be under root 3. Now another question is that you can see here 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So here also a equal to, I have taken a equal to 2, it is given a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6 and the c equal to 3. So d equal to b square minus 4ac, or that is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, or 36 minus 24 equal to 12, that is greater than 0. So it has got given equation has real and two different root, that two distinct root. We can find out, that is the by formula, x equal to minus b plus minus under root d by under root 2a by 2a, or equal to minus 6 in bracket minus 6 plus minus under root 12 into 2 into 2, that is the minus 6 plus minus 2 under root 3 by 4, or equal to 3 plus minus under root 3 by 2, or the two different roots are the 3 plus under root 3 by 2 and equal next one is that 3 minus under root 3 by 2. So it has got two distinct roots and its values are real, not imaginary. So in this way we have studied about the different type of the that is the how to find the nature of the root, is it is imaginary or it is a real or its roots are equal. So thank you for today class. In next class we will take over the next questions.